Simple tips and tricks to make you a better camper. Most people use camping as a way to escape daily life and stress. On the other hand, if you are unprepared, your camping trip will detour from your intentions. Have an incident-free camping adventure by using the information provided to you in this video. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. It's imperative that you pitch your tent before the sun goes down. Once darkness falls, it is very difficult to set up camp. This is even more true if you're accustomed to city life, and your eyes haven't adjusted to the darkness of the woods. Avoid these circumstances by finding the right shelter while it is still light. Try to get to the campsite well before nightfall. This allows you to get a feel for the lay of the land and gives you the opportunity to set up camp while you can still see what you are doing. In addition, it lets your children feel a little more comfortable with their surroundings because they will have time to explore. When it comes to food, bring only what you need on a camping trip. Extra food out in the wilderness is a calling card for wild animals to come visiting your campground. If you do find that you have additional food, tie it up in cloth and hang it as high as you can in a tree away from your immediate campground. This will help keep you from unwanted animal introductions. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. If you have little ones camping with you, pack a few art supplies. When you get to your site, show them how to do leaf rubbings. There are always a variety of leaves in all shapes and sizes, so trying them all out will take a while. The kids will be happy and you will have some peace and quiet while you relax and watch them. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Most of the time, camping is fun. If you do not take the time to plan ahead, it can be disastrous. Follow the advice in this video to prepare for your next camping adventure. Last but not least, have fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.